Hey guys, last week I took the cruiser up river for a few days. We crossed an area known for the sudden gusts, even when there's little wind, so I had to use the reefing system I had just installed the week before, and it worked great. So let's have a look at that reefing system, how I made and installed it. It's really simple, take a look. First, I secured the first reef stack to the gooseneck to see where the clue would end up on the boom. Then I just tied a line to the boom and through the kringle, nothing much here. I got hold of some of these cheek blocks and that's what I'm going to use for the reefing blocks. When I pull to tighten the foot of the sail, this is as far as I want it, that's pretty stretched there. So I need the reefing block to be behind it, because otherwise, in line or nearly in line with the first reef kringle, it would be here, but then there wouldn't be enough travel on the foot of the sail. So I want to put this one right here. I have placed the cleats on the boom. They came with the boat. They were fitted on the deck, but I think they are too small for this boat, so I just reused them on the boom. I then had to fabricate a piece to hold the reef tack. Okay, so that's the piece. A few holes here and there, but it's plenty strong. Couldn't be bothered with that, to be honest. And I'm going to try and put this here on this shaft here, or I don't know, this pin, whatever. Obviously inside. And let's see if this fits, because I kind of eyeballed it. Okay, so far so good. I hope there's enough space here for that thing to go in, otherwise I'm gonna have to open this a little bit this way. Okay, I think that will go. Okay, so that one works. The other one, I'll have to create a like a dog bone, Spectra dog bone, to go from the cringle to that hook there, because there's no way this will ever get down there. So I need a Spectra dog bone here. I had a chance to gather a crew and go for a tryout, so I did exactly that. It all worked well, the sail was working even without the buttons, and then the wind really started to pick up, and the gusts got to be too much for just one reef. The boat would heel and I had to compensate for strong weather helm constantly. I started repowering the mainsail, but to be honest, I would have liked to have the second reef ready so that I could try it and see if the boat would become a bit more balanced. Close haul, we got to 5.6 knots, which isn't great with that much wind, but this was the first time going out with the Kingfisher in strong winds and with a new setup, so I guess there's only room for improvement from now on. And I installed the second reef's hardware the exact same way as I did for the first reef. I obviously have a lot to learn on how to sail the Kingfisher, but with our reefing system, I put one reef on and we went upriver safely. We actually got some decent speed out of her. I now have the second reef ready, so I will be able to test that with, well, when the next big tides come, which is I think in 2 weeks time. Till then guys, stay safe, see you soon.